Hey, what's good, YouTubers? It's Crypto Wiz here. I am new to this, so welcome me to the Bitcoin industry. We're gonna talk about USI Tech. It seems to me like they are batting USI and Canada for the distributed part, offering the services and everything. The reason why they're doing that because it looks to me like Texas did something real bad. I guess the way they promoted it the wrong way. Cause once you sign into this program, you get the terms and conditions and you have to follow the rules. So they didn't follow it. Saying it for Canada, they didn't follow the rules, so it's a lot of effect on us. As you can see here, I have important notice. I'm not gonna read all this, but I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down so y'all can read it, so y'all can pause the video back and forth. I'm not gonna be on this too long because I have no further information. But it's crazy though, man. It's crazy. Like, I would never thought that this would happen. It's crazy, but we are gonna get some more information a little later. I mean, it didn't scam. It's not scam or anything. It's just they had the right to do that because people don't follow the rules, which is sad. But I just really hope that things go good again. But right now, I don't know. I'm not too sure if I can withdraw. I've been hearing that a lot of people can't withdraw right now. Some people. I don't know if I can. I never tried it yet, but I am a USA citizen, so I can't really do anything either. It's a lot of effect on us. But this is all I have to say right here. This is all the information right here. But yeah, since I am new to this, please give me a like, a comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I will give you updates on any program I joined, anyone. And just remember, I am not a financial advisor. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Okay? Don't put in too much. Only put in what you can afford to lose, because sometimes these programs do not last. But I will be doing giveaways, but I can't do them right now because I'm new to this. So I'm gonna need like a lot of subs, a lot of support, a lot of active people, and a whole lot of investors. So we're gonna make some good money. That's all I have for today. I will update y'all some new information when I get it. So I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Alright, peace.